Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel in Turlock, California, as well Grand Terrace, San Bernardino. Today we just done the videos in the previous one on regular small trailers and the 3,000 pound and very affordable, and we talk about another video about the teardrop where there's limitation on the weight. Now we get another customer, they say I have limitation where to store it, and I want something to be only 1,300 pound, and because my vehicle will pull only 2,000. So if you want to have a recreation vehicle where you could store it in your garage, so you put it in a normal car garage and you don't want it to be to the outside elements. Also, you have a vehicle, their towing capacity minimum is 2,000. We have a solution for this. We're not gonna stopping you not camping. We want you to go camping. And that's what we got here at Best RV. We got what's called the pop-up tent trailers, the Rockwood. This beautiful Rockwood pop-up tent trailers, model 16 OTG. It has, so rather you go buy a tent from Walmart, Target, and spend hours just to set it up, and you end up sleeping on the floor on above rocks. Well, we made it so easy here. You have a nice beds, more room for storage. You could put all your camping gears and still camping, and we making it so affordable. We dropped the price from 12,000 down to $999. So at Best RV in here, in both locations, you got a pop-up tent trailer for $9,999, brand new. It is a brand new 2026 Rockwood 16 OTG. Let me show you so we don't waste that much time and get straight to the point. This is, again, a nice pop-up tent, Rockwood OTG models. As soon as you walk in, they give you nice beddings. You have a single here, sleep one. You have a big double bed, a nice dining tables. You have another double bed, so I could sleep 2, 4, 5. So I could sleep a family of 5 in this one. But still, I'm not sleeping on the floor. I'm still sleeping on a nice foam mattresses. I got plenty place to sit, me and the wife and the kids, and eat. I have a place storage for my porta potty, and plenty room for your ice chest and your camping gear. So if you have limitations on your weight and you want something so light like 1,300 pounds and you still want camping, well, we recommend you. And what's the solution? It is the Rockwood 16 OTG. Now, this is the basic. They give you a fan, beds, all the necessary item. On the Rockwood tent trailers, if you some customer like you come to us and said, yes, I know I like that pop-up tent trailer, but this is a basic. I want one with the AC. I want one with the furnace. I want with the solar. I want with a bathroom. I want with a stove inside and stove outside. We do. We have right here. If you come this way, the cameraman. So we got here a beautiful 1930 FT. It has a big trunk in the front where you could load your stuff from the top and pass through. I mean, you see storage. It has awning now. There's no awning. We have outside grill come with it. There's none. We have a furnace, as you see coming here. There's a furnace. There's a fridge. And then this is, I want to show you, this has become a bed. Here, let me show you. So this is turned to a bed. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. You sleep 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, or 2, 1. So easy, you could sleep 5 people. It has refrigerators, it has fantastic fan, it has awning, it has, as you see, a cooking place outside, 18-inch gas grilled. You could cook inside, outside. Look how beautiful the view and the breeze. Imagine you're sitting in the mountains and enjoying the beautiful natures. And again, we have it in very affordable price, and we shop for the lowest price in California, $16.99 on a brand new 2026 Rockwood 1930 FT. So we have all budget you want. We have all sizes you want. We have all the weight and the category you need. So just come to Best RV, grab the one you like, and we'll make it happen for you. Again, don't forget, no hidden fees. So when I go this tent trailer, show you how to use it, to show how to open, close, make sure everything's work, function. This, I do all this work for free. I don't charge you nothing, just tax and license. Come to Best RV and enjoy. Now, one thing I want to talk about the pop-up tent trailers and the advantage. Some people, why they buy pop-up travel trailers. In the state of California, the registrations fees on the pop-up is one time. And it's only $44, close to 40. Don't hold me to it, but I know it's like around $45. So you're paying $45. It's called PTI, Permanent Travel Trailer Plate. So you pay one-time fee, $45, and that's it, as long as you own the travel trailers. I want to remind you, when you purchase travel trailers, RVs, fifth wheels, the one with kitchen, it has a registration fee like your car every year. Except the pop-up tent trailers, people, they liken it, they don't pay registration every year. One time, $45, and that's it. So that's another plus. Some people, they like the weight. They like to collapse this one and close it and put it in their garage next to their truck in their house garage outside of the element. Some people, they liken it when they towing and driving the pop-up trailers and they look in the back mirror, it's in the same level of their windshield in the rear. So that's kind of things why people buy pop-up tent trailers. And that's the reason. Less registrations, less fees when you license the tent trailers. Easy to collapse, easy to store in an indoor place. So these are the advantage for you when you purchase a pop-up travel trailers. Again, we have everything from pop-up trailers to teardrops to travel trailers. And if the cameraman points there further, we have motorhome, fifth wheels. You have all of it. There's no way to go somewhere else. It's one-stop shop, and we make it happen. We put your house behind your truck or your vehicle, or you put your motorhome where you sit on it and drive and go camping. Coming in.